What is going on, guys? I'm here to bring you guys another video. Recently I picked up a new set of coilovers for my S13, and if you guys didn't know, my coilovers are so bad and just the ride quality is terrible. Everything is really jarring, and I started to run into this problem called tram lining. And tram lining is basically when your car follows kind of the steps already imprinted in the concrete or road in front of you, causing the car to kind of just like follow that one trail. So I bought this set of coilovers, $300 for a set of Greddy Type S coilovers. These had some really cool things about them. Like, for example, they feature like a 46mm piston in the middle, which according to Pat is really good. And I don't know, it's just a bit more beefier of a setup. They have these cool little things on them too. Like, I guess you mount the strut and put this over, like the sandwich and chassis in between it, which is kind of neat. All the dampeners are not seized or anything. I made sure all these rings are nice and loose. So today, instead of bugging you guys with another coilover install video, I'm just gonna slap these on really quick, throw some clips about it. But what we're really gonna compare here is the ride quality. So it's the morning and I gotta make lunch. So let's run to the grocery store. So here's what I'm talking about. The car just kind of follows whatever tracks are in the road, hence the term tram lining. But bumps and stuff like that is really, it doesn't like it at all. We're here at Ramsey Nissan again. The drive was great. It was nice and sunny out, and the SR isn't broken because of SR20 for life.
Yeah, gang.
So now we're doing some of this sustivities. Okay guys, so we lost this battle. We couldn't unseize these coilovers, they were just too much. But the good thing is, we're gonna find a way to use them, because honestly, I can't take driving on this old suspension anymore. It drags me left and right or wherever it wants to go when I'm on the road. And we're just gonna put them back together using these top hats. We're gonna put them on and then basically run them at the height that they're at. It's going to look atrocious and it's going to be way too tall and people are going to complain about it and it's going to look really ugly. But you know what? We're sacrificing form for a bit more function, and you know what? It's going to make the car way more fun. So let's do it. These actually look kind of cool. They're really colorful. So we pretty much ran out of time here at the dealership, so we're kind of rushing to go. So I didn't get to record us putting on the rears, but we put the rears on and we set it at a height. Ooh, oh, these are cold. We set it at a height. It's kind of somewhat matched the front, so it doesn't look ridiculous, but this is what it looks like. It does look horrendous. It's okay, but it's gonna drive so much better. And really, BM, drive good, look good. But we're gonna take it for a drive and then
I mean, it doesn't look good, but
it doesn't look good, but we're gonna drive it good. That's all that matters. But I'm sure in the future we're gonna sort out a new solution for this problem. But until next time, whew, damn, those Greddy coilovers look a lot different than the other day. What ended up happening with the Greddy coilovers was we couldn't get them free and the ride height was way too off, and I just couldn't, I couldn't do it. It looked too ugly. So Patrick just drove us about an hour away to go pick up some new coilovers. The guy straight up traded me for my Greddy ones. I guess that they're more desirable, or maybe they're rare or something, but I have no idea. We have these. These are actually Tane type flexes. They are kind of in the same caliber in terms of like performance capability as the Greddy coilovers that we had before. They're not a stupid high spring rate like a normal Japanese coilover usually is. There's 7K in the front and 7K in the rear, which is kind of odd because I didn't know that coilovers came in that spec for like especially S chassis, where it's usually stiffer in the front, softer in the rear. But I'm just cleaning them up, and we're gonna throw them on the car. So, and then we're gonna hopefully compare ride quality versus
the Gretties and my old suspension, which was kind of pieced together. K Office is in the front and Megan Racing in the rear. So let's get to it. It's first thing in the morning. Patrick's gonna be late for class as usual. Last night we ended up not installing all 4 coilovers just cause we knew we could just do it the next day and we could just catch some sleep. It was really, really late and just get tired. But let's finish it off. Rear S13 struts are literally the easiest thing ever. Just 1 bolt down there, 2 bolts up here. First impressions of the coilovers are they're freaking great. Really, really comfortable. Really, really comfortable coilovers for what they are. 7K, I can't really complain. It's really nice, pretty responsive. I've been kind of driving like a dickhead all morning with them, and they respond to drifting really well. But that goes without saying. It's raining. My glasses are probably so foggy right now, and I bet you Chris is gonna say something about it. But man, we're gonna take you guys for a ride along. I'm gonna have Tyler hold the camera and we're gonna hit some bumps, throw the car sideways for a little bit. Hopefully not die, because I almost forgot to tighten down the wheels. But they are tight now. Oh, there he is. Okay, so beforehand.
Which car is that?
Oh man, let me hit the wipers. That one little spot right there. Before, it used to be super duper jarring on every little thing that you would run over. Like you would run over a little rock and it would suck. But not anymore, baby. Oh, speaking of babies, we're gonna hit that one right there.
Is that a mom? Oh,
Is that
oh, these are nice.
Yup.
Do these have adjustable damping?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
They are. Pat counted them and there's 24.
What?
That's a weird
That's
number.
almost as much as mine.
I think that's a weird number though. I think it's not supposed to be 24. Well, I have them
That's
set at
supposed to.
12 in the front and 15 in the rear.
Yeah, I smell that too. Is that tire?
Where could it be rubbing though?
Smells like kind of like tire.
It smells a lot like tire.
Probably rubbing somewhere.
It's probably
Or
rubbing.
when you hit the
front.
speed bump, it probably. Yeah.
I bet you it's rubbing in the front on the coilover.
Oh, I mean, I'm not surprised.
I maxed the coil. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Ah!
Huh.
That bridge is really quiet neighborhood.
This is like downtown. This. Oh! Mama! What in tarnation?
All right, so general consensus on these coilovers. I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. The main reason why we love them is because we got them for $300. $300, and it's like a world of difference in terms of steering input, just overall the way the car behaves. It's way better. It just feels way safer, and we fixed all the issues that were associated with the old suspension setup, such as like tram lining and stuff like that. We can now hit bumps and not worry about it. But until next time, like, comment, subscribe. We have a lot of stuff on our page. Go check out our Instagram. Go check out our website, our Big Cartel under GAGM Design. We have a lot of our stickers on there. But if you like this stuff, I don't know, like, I'm gonna keep making it then.
Check it out, man. We're kind of cool.